Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know if your Instagram is hacked, and now let's dive right in. Now, to know if your Instagram is hacked, first open up your Instagram app, and on this account and on this interface, guys, in order to know either your Instagram is hacked or not, go through all of your daily activities of your Instagram account. Go to your profile, see your recent activities, stories that have been posted. Go to your messenger, any suspicious chat with your friends relating anything that you didn't do, and with that confirming, if you found your account to be hacked, you can go ahead and complain that to the Instagram at later. But in order to know if your Insta is hacked, if you have checked all of these, if still these are okay, then on the next step, let's go to our settings. To do that, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture, and on this interface, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icon. Tap on it, and over here tap on account center, and over here, guys, you can see the password and security of your accounts over here. But before doing any of these, let's tap on the personal details, and you can see your personal information of your Instagram account over here. Confirm all of these, and if you have confirmed all of these or anything over here has been tampered with, then you might know your account is hacked and you want to contact Instagram ASAP. So with that being said, guys, these are the ways you can know if your Instagram is hacked or not. And this is how to know if your Instagram is hacked or not. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.